Today I purchased a Boat earphone. It says Boat Basset. We got it in 399 in deal from Amazon. What we got here is a pouch from Boat. It's very cozy. Remove from the dust. Got a sticker. It says Boat Basset. We got a 1 year warranty card with it. Got some finger buds, different sizes. Good. Got a beautiful earphone. It has a 3.5 mm jack. It's a metal base, so good. Look at this ear tips, it's so sporty, looks dynamic and fit your earphone very well. It's a 10 mm driver, it's very good. For sporty earphone lover, must go it. It's a very good earphone. Thumbs up for this earphone. Perfectly fit.